Hello! Let's make it a quick one today because I need to cook some meatballs there. Polpette. So let's do the next step of the sourdough starter recipe. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes. First of all, let's explore and see what's going on here. Okay, definitely built some interesting crust. So I'm gonna put a finger in here. Oh, look at that. There is definitely some activity in here. Okay, so let's start as usual with the water. 30 grams water. I'm gonna just pour it on top here and start mixing this with the water. Can you see the bubbles? Is it visible? You see all the bubbles? It's clearly bubbling, and it's good. It's a good sign. There is definitely activity of microorganisms. So water is good. When you say that it sweetens, it removes the acidity. See if it smells like a little bit of acidity, not much yet. Oh, look at that. Oh. Looks good. I think it looks promising. As usual, I'm using a little bit of a mixture. Again, the proportion is reduced even more of the rye. I'm using 10 grams rye and 30 grams bread flour. Now no need to wait. It mixes pretty nicely. It looks good, so we can just add the flour. Really not rocket science. It's amazing that such a basic, simple thing, mixing water and flour and letting it rot basically, can produce such a beautiful, amazing thing. Really reconnects you with the beauty of simplicity. Looks good. It's a nice paste. This is, again, it's going to be more wet than it was compared to the initial 50% hydration. We added the quantities in 100% hydration. Today it's 75% hydration. It's good. Basically, the first 2 days we kind of just collected some yeast from the air, and by giving them more water, we are now allowing them to reproduce, hopefully, and thrive. Okay, it's good. Okay, good. So looking good. Let's hope for the best. And now we're gonna leave this for 24 hours only. So we're reducing the time until the next refreshment. Covering it as we did before. So it's covered like before. Usual spot, cozy spot in the kitchen. 24 hours. And I'll see you then. Should be exciting. It's growing.